International Dance Day is a global celebration of dance created by the Dance Committee of the International Theatre Institute, the main partner for the performing arts of UNESCO. The event takes place every year on 29th April, which is the anniversary of the birth of Jean-Georges Nauer, the creator of modern ballet. The day strives to encourage participation and education in dance through events and festivals held on the date all over the world. The art of dance is one of the earliest and longest standing forms of entertainment and community activity known to humankind. While it continues to be practiced by millions of people daily, Dance Day is a precise moment in the calendar where everyone is invited to take part in an extremely enjoyable pastime. We, the students of North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School, are celebrating this day by depicting the vibrant and rhythmic folk dance forms of India. India is a land of varied cultures and traditions. Diversities in all spheres make the Indian culture quite unique. Indian folk and tribal dances are product of different socio-economic setup and traditions evolved over ages.
Garba is a form of dance which originates from the state of Gujarat in India. The name is derived from the Sanskrit term Garbha and Deep. Many traditional Garbas are performed around centrally lit lamp or a picture or statue of the goddess Shakti. Traditionally, it is performed during the 9-day Hindu festival Navaratri. Garba is performed in a circle as a symbol of the Hindu view of time. As the cycle of time revolves from birth to life to death and again to rebirth, the only thing that is constant is the goddess, that one unmoving symbol in the midst of
Lavani. Lavani is a genre of music popular in Maharashtra, India. Lavani is a combination of traditional song and dance, which particularly performed to the beats of dholki, a percussion instrument. Lavani is noted for its powerful rhythm. Lavani has contributed substantially to the development of Marathi folk theatre. Maharashtra was once a battle-torn state, and Lavani dance served as a mode of entertainment and moral booster to the tired soldiers during the 18th and 19th century. The dance reached peak popularity during the Peshwa rule, when it was given royal support by the ruling elite.
Ghumar is a traditional folk dance of Rajasthan. It was Bhil tribe who performed it to worship goddess Saraswati, which was later embraced by other Rajasthani communities. The dance is chiefly performed by veiled women who wear flowing dresses called ghagra. The word ghumna describes the twirling movement of the dancers and is the basis of the word ghumar. of Jammu and Kashmir. It is performed by grateful villagers after the harvesting of crops is finished. It is a celebration and a ritual to thank the Gram Devata or village deity for protecting crops, cattle and people from natural disasters. The most interesting feature of Koot dance is that anyone can participate. From children to grandparents, from villagers to visitors, and from male to female, everyone is invited to join the joyous occasion. Primarily, the folk dances of Jammu and Kashmir are performed on different occasions. Some are performed on marriage celebrations, harvest season, birthdays, or religious fairs.
Chhau. Chhau dance, also spelled as Chhau or Chhau, is a semi-classical Indian dance with martial, tribal and folk traditions. With origins in eastern India, it is found in three styles named after the location where they are performed, that is the Purulia Chhau of Bengal, the Saraikela Chhau of Jharkhand and the Mayurbhanj Chhau of Orissa. The Chhau dance is mainly performed during festivals in the region of Jharkhand, West Bengal and Orissa, especially the spring festival of Chaitri Parva, and in which the whole community participates. Masks form an integral part of Chhau dance in Purulia and Saraikela styles.
নমস্কার, আমি সিদ্ধিদাতা গণেশ। আমি তোমাদের সামনে এসেছি ছৌ নাচ দেখাতে।
da, da, te, da, 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 te, da, 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 change. Om